Hello everyone, this is Dr. Renita Wellman, and I'm very pleased to be with you for this course. This course will give you an idea of where you fit in the psychology area as a profession. To begin with week 1, I'm going to go over some of the main points, things that you will want to remember and make sure that you check off your to-do list. So you're going to print out the to-do stuff for week 1, and you want to print out your syllabus, sign the certification, complete the pre-test, make sure you have the technology to manage the system requirements, read my biography, and post your introduction. And make sure you know how to reach me to ask a question, and also make sure you know how to reach the help desk for technical help. For week 1, your readings will be the chapters in Dunn and chapters in Helms and Rogers. So you should have both of those textbooks. You're going to view the PowerPoints that are in week 1 here, and you're going to post your initial post by Thursday and a response to one of your colleagues by Saturday, and a response to one of your colleagues by Sunday, to make sure you do it on 3 separate days. Your journal assignment will be due at the end of the week on Sunday. So will the pre-test and certification. I would like you to complete the pre-test by Wednesday. Here are the PowerPoints that you'll be reading and the list of the readings. Your discussion posts will be on 3 separate days. You'll have a 300-word count and 200-word count, respectively. This gives you an idea of the quality of posts that are recommended and expected. And here is your assignment to discuss. And then your journal assignment is to do the readings here and then answer these questions. This is the rubric. Don't use bullet points. I'm going to tidy that up. Here's the midterm exam review. So you could print that out. I'm going to cover the questions here and discuss them in week 2's Kaiser Live. Get to know how to do your final project by reading this carefully. It's in 3 parts. And make sure that you have a verified submission to the OWL. This will be due in, let's see, it's the middle of week 4. So you will send your paper to the OWL by the Sunday of week 3 so that you will submit your final paper by Wednesday of week 4. Okay, that's all from me for now. Let me know if you have any questions.